Good morning. It's Tuesday. I actually cooked breakfast today. Whoop, whoop. Guys, are you ready for breakfast? Kids have been up playing matching and cars and TV. Y'all ready for breakfast? Yeah? All right, well, come on. All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. We're having a slow start this morning. What day is it?
It's Tuesday.
Tuesday. What month is it?
March.
March.
2020.
2020 is the year. What day is it?
It's the 24th.
24th. So say Tuesday,
Tuesday.
March
24th.
24th, 2020. All right, who wants to lead the pledge? Stand up.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Very good. Let's look at the weather. Come over here. Ugh, this all day. It's supposed to storm today and rain, rain, rain. So we'll probably have to play inside today, all day. You see the rain? All right, come on back in. We're gonna do some other change the calendar. Tuesday, March. Let Logan help. All right, Logan, you change the. Let Logan do the weather.
What's the weather?
Put it on there. This is. You have to help him out. This says cloudy. It's not. It is cloudy, but it's also what? Put it over here. Over here. All right, find the one that says rainy. Can you find the one with raindrops?
Let's see. 4 raindrops. There's 4.
There you go. Right there. Help him out.
Flip it over.
Very good. All right, very good.
Happy?
Are y'all gonna be happy today? Yeah, we're gonna be happy. All right, Troy is logging in his computer work this morning. I have to sit with him and work on this morning. So the other two are just playing over here. Logan's watching a phone and Brooklyn's building blocks, but normally I do letters with Logan, but I have to sit through with Troy, and so this is how we rolling this morning. Good job. We are writing our memory verse for today. Brooklyn's coloring, Logan's drawing letters. We just did our Bible story. You're fine. All right, we got out some books to read for Logan. Books to read for Lo. You ready to read? All right. He is just finished up his 20 minutes of reading. Now he's working on what? Science? Science. Just guess. I don't know. These two are playing with Play-Doh. Then we'll have lunch shortly. All right, we just finished up lunch. There's a break in the rain, so we got our rain boots on. Come on, guys. The mailman. Here comes Logan. I told him, everybody get the rain boots on. They're going to stomp in the puddles. Let's wait till the mailman goes by. They like the puddles. They're just having fun. They having fun in the water? You're gonna fun too. I should have changed your clothes. That dress is soaked. Ew, ew. Okay. Well, we will when we get home for sure. It's really nice out here. Glad it stopped raining so we could get out for just a little bit. We all needed some fresh air today. Whoa, they got out the Hot Wheels today. Hot Wheels. The boys checked the mail and they got a package.
Brooklyn, come here.
I think it's for Daddy, but they gonna have fun.
Come here, you wanna help us open it?
She's happy just
Okay. What do you think it is? You can't touch it. Logan, you go first. What do you think it is? You think it's what?
phone.
You
A
think it's
phone. Okay.
What do you think it is?
I think it's
A phone case?
Phone case.
Alright, you want to open it?
phone case.
Let me try. Can you do it? Pull hard. Help him get it started.
I need to change your clothes. She got wet.
Can you
She
help?
got wet on our walk.
Can you help? Just rip it.
And what? And what?
Let me do it.
Whoops.
Oh, look how I did.
Baby.
Oh.
What is it?
Yeah.
Another phone.
Another phone case. Troy was right.
But this one has got cloth on it. Let's see. Well, supposed to.
Cool.
Tag it.
Very
Which one
cool.
you like better, this one or this one?
They both pick different ones. Those are cool.
Probably this one. I don't know. I might like the grippiness of the.
That one.
Better grip.
Alright, we just finished up some rest time. Lots of rest time today. We watched a movie. We watched Ratatouille. Now they're playing in the toy room. They're playing with some kitchen stuff. Oh, how sweet. Troy found her Ariel. Hey Logan. How you doing today, bud? You want to do a puzzle? You can do a puzzle.
I couldn't get enough.
You're cooking? Okay. This is how we are spending our afternoon. Brooklyn has the remote control car. Logan has a remote control truck somewhere. He's got it stuck up under the table. And then Troy is doing some math work. Very good, Troy. And Yippee over here. Hush. He wants to play. Our chore for today is to sweep and mop. You guys better get over here and help me. Yeah, so that's our plan for right now. They've been begging to do that, so that's what we're doing. We got another break in the rain, so we're going to play outside. It's really warm out here. There's supposed to be a round of storms coming in a little while. But for now, we're going to enjoy the outdoors. Let them play and just have fun. It's probably because this concrete, it's not really meant for out here. But you can try it. Logan is really obsessed with this little red car. Whatever keeps him entertained, I'm good with that. I mean, really? Get out of that. Come on. I mean, you know. Of course she has on her good shoes. Mud, mud, mud. Not with those shoes, Logan. You should have wore your rain boots. All right, get out of that. Let's go. We made it for a little walk. Now they got their popsicles. Are they yummy, yummy? Is it yummy? You got a stick? Okay, we'll throw the stick. Was it good? Throw a stick in the garbage. Now they're climbing trees. Look at Troy way up there in a tree. Little boy Troy in that tree. So is. All right, these guys are working on some computer games. Playing Starfall. Cool. I'm cooking supper. We're gonna eat soon. You okay? You got boo-boo? Alright, these boys are about to go to bed. They're having a little Ninja Turtle Wars. Playing before they go to bed. It's been a good day. It's raining out there now, storming. But we are ready for some rest and another fun day tomorrow.